Hey friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for my intraday trade setup on Nifty 50 future. Okay, uh, so whatever you are seeing now, this is a market profile chart, and based on this market profile information, we normally uh, give some calls in Telegram channel. If you are not joined the Telegram channel, please do join our Telegram channel. Every day we are providing one or two call on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday we provided on call in the Nifty that when the market was trading here, market was trading in this region, clearly we mentioned that new day high on board. So after that market went up to this level. So this type of information we provide in the Telegram channel. Do subscribe our Trading Emotion channel, click the like button and maximum share our channel to your friend circle and relatives. Okay, so what could be the today's thought process and how we can get information through the market profile? See, it's very clear information that here the sellers are sitting here in this particular point. The sellers are sitting. Why? Because these sellers are till now. This is the last Monday's profile. This is the last Monday's profile. That means 17th April profile, and uh, after that, these people not getting good elongation on the downside. This is one information. Second, these sellers not allowing to come up on above this profile also. So some distribution or some accumulation, we don't know what is happening here, but as per market profile some distribution was happening here. Okay, so what could be the today thought process, how we can take a trade based on the information? See, if market opening above previous day high, that means gap up above previous high, like here, definitely I will put SL above this particular area and I will go for a PE towards this particular POC. Okay, and okay, this is PPOC. Okay, I think this is PPOC. One second, I will check once more. This is 10 TPO, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, so this is POC only. This is POC only. Listen carefully. If market opening above the range, this is called open above the range and rejection reverse. Open outside the range and rejection reverse. This is a setup as per the market profile. Okay, so if market opening above the range and any rejection, this A period high, okay, definitely I will put SL above this particular area high and I will go for a PE towards this POC zone. This is one setup which I have. So how I am going to trade, how I will confirm whether the open outside the range and rejection. For that I will just use this 1 minute order flow, 1 minute order flow with the candlestick, 1 minute order flow, 1 minute order flow with candlestick. If market opening like this and this my SL will be above this half back of first 1 minute candle. Why I am using this 1 minute is my SL will very limited. The risk is very limited. The reward is unlimited. That is a reason. That's why I am using this half back 1 minute profile. Okay. So 1 minute itself, first 1 minute itself, I will come to know that this is open rejection reverse. Based on market profile information, my entry till 10:15 using this 1 minute chart. After 10:15 I will move to this chart on 15 minutes time frame. This is how I trade. Yesterday I given that new day high when this half back is taking up. See, this half back is taking off this particular candle. I immediately posted in our Telegram channel, market going to be a new day high. And see, one more beauty of market profile here, the open is equal to high not seen. The wick is here. See, a wick is here in the candlestick. But the market profile clearly, very clear information market profile provide you. See, the open is equal to high is still valid as per market profile. Okay, right. So this is one setup which is open outside range and rejection reverse. If market opening outside the range and coming up. So if market opening here also above value area also, I will based on the 1 minute that order flow chart, and I will go for a PE towards first target this, second target this, third target this. So these are the two setup which I have today on Nifty. I'm planning for Nifty. The same case, if market opening below the value area low, if market opening here below the value area low, open test drive. Again, I will look for a PE here. I will look for a PE here. Why? Because why I am looking PE is, see, I will tell you the reason also why I am looking for a, I'm giving a 70 percentage of weightage on PE today. Why? Why means, see, this day means 24th April profile. It's a poor profile. Why? There is a one anomaly here and one more anomaly here. So one anomaly was already taken. Number one, why this is a this justification? One is this is poor profile. Number one. Number two, two anomalies are there. Number three, non-migration POC. That means above this level, the people are not interested on these price levels. These price levels, peoples are not interested to trade. So this level was poor business was happen. Poor business was happen. So non-migration POC also here, and one more beauty of this profile is the low is ultra weak. The low is ultra weak. The low is ultra weak. Okay, this 21st profile and 24th profile's low is very weak. So that I am giving 70 percentage weightage on P. So second setup is simple. I will not go for a CE. If market opening below value area low, any open test drive, I will go for a PE towards direct target to clear this particular area. What is this area? This area is 17,690, and trail I will try my SL. Why? Because there is a chances market will come here or spend time, or market will directly hit here, or market go up. So we don't know. So I will trail my SL when market is reaching in this particular 17,690. Then my second target directly on 17,650. Then directly this value area low. That means 17,620. These are the downside target, which when market is opening below the value area low. These are the two setup which I have, but the gap down also I will wait. I will just watch what is the information I am getting from the market profile. Then I will provide you on the Telegram channel. Flat open, that means inside value area. See, today is a Wednesday. Please keep this information in your back of the mind. Tomorrow is a Thursday of expiry and monthly expiry. Okay. So monthly expiry normally what the people will do, the sellers, option sellers, they will almost finish their job. Almost 90 percentage of people complete what might be, if they are booking loss or if they are booking profit, everything they will do adjustment, everything will do today on as a Wednesday, and tomorrow is a monthly expiry, April month expiry. So if market opening inside the value area, then I will wait first half. I will provide based on the information on Telegram channel. Comment your valuable comment on our Telegram channel, and many people are took yesterday's trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty also. We provided one call. So if you are in profit, you can post that profit in our YouTube comment box also. Thank you very much.